It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation Edition. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Elevation Edition. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage, and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel, we have trailer mode. By turning that dial to the right, we're able to select a drive mode. We've got sport, off-road, and normal. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials, rubber floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and a cloth interior. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at our leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. On the left side, we have our cruise control buttons with that heated steering wheel button. And on the right side, we have our audio controls and voice commands. Next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Up above, we have OnStar. Just below that is GMC's infotainment center. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with Apple Carplay, Android Auto, our trailer app, and it doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. On the right here we have that hitch guidance. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, auto stop start, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, the trailer brake, some USB ports and power plug-ins. To the left here we have the engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake while holding that button down to start the vehicle. At the front of the Elevation Edition we have the painted grille surround and bumper, LED headlamps, fog lights, black tow hooks, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood, rear tinted windows, black running boards down below. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push that silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Remote start, and the X31 Offroad package. This truck has all-terrain tires, off-road suspension, hill descent control, 2-speed transfer case, skid plates, dual exhaust, and a high-capacity air filter. At the back of the truck we have the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob, push that button twice to drop that tailgate down. The box of the truck has cargo hooks, LED lighting, and GMC's MultiPro tailgate. So by pushing 2 additional buttons, we can drop that step down. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got cloth seat pockets. The back of our center console has 2 cup holders, some USB and USB-C power plug-ins, as well as the rear fans, rubber floor mats on the floor, and we're able to raise these rear seats up for some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation Edition, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.